We really appreciate you making the time for this event and coming out of your busy schedules. So we are the first provider in Australia to offer this program with the vocational placement, and we are very proud to be the first provider in Victoria to start this program as well.
Now I think we will be called as a cabinet making, which is a wow factor for us in the market to stand out. Cabinet making will make a difference because there's no competitor at the stage.
This is our next expansion. So Orange College is now having another entity called Mars Institute. And part of this entity is another trade programs that we are going to offer.
But I'm sure you have not only just now the trade one side of it or just the carpentry and all, but you got another trade as well, automotive. And that's another thing which you guys can sell now in the market. There's another program which Aman went through was certificate in building project support. That's something, again, nobody's in the market have got that. And that's what the combination of carpentry or any trade, doesn't matter, wall tiling, painting, you can always merge that qualification with the Cert 4 as well. Only at Orange College and only at Mars Institute. Thank you everyone, thank you.